Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create basic shapes using the masking tool on CapCut PC. Add in like a picture of like a color and then go to mask, and we can just simply go simple by selecting the heart shape first. We're going to make along some shapes after this, so stay tuned. Then I'm going to just select this like yellow color, and then I'm going to go to mask and I'm going to make it into a star. You can also feather it out if you'd like to, but I'm just going to leave it like that, and then you can even scale it down here like so. Then you can even create flowers using the mask tool and creating a circle. And then you're going to combine that later, so you're just going to copy and paste it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe like 4 times actually, and you're just going to simply try to create like a flower shape out of it, like so. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm trying to keep it as perfect as it can be. And I might add in like an orange center to it. I think, yeah, I added too much. And then again, I'm going to go to mask, select the circle bit and create a circle and move that there. To group them, I'm just going to select everything, right click, create compound clip to create just one shape. You can also create a moon, I think. So get the color you want, go to mask, select circle. Just leave it plain like this. Right click, create compound clip, and then select the circle bit again. And I think you're going to want to invert it, and it's going to create this moon shape. And you can just adjust it along the way. Go to basic, and yeah, I think those are the shapes that I can create. You can also create a cloud shape actually if you want to. It's kind of the same thing as the flower, but you're also going to need like a rectangle kind of. It is a little bit more complicated to do. Let me just try it though. Like you'll need like 3 circles, and then I'm just going to add like another one. Go to mask and then go to rectangle and like make this like strip and add in some round corners as well. And just like try to like fit it in with the rest of the shape, like just try to, and have like kind of like the shape, I guess. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!